Cheers. I'm gonna start with Toast the Pita Bread. Toast them up a bit. Fat-free yogurt, 170 grams. Next, we're gonna use vanilla sugar-free pudding mix by Jello. Next, we're gonna use Swerve confectioner sugar. We're gonna use 25 grams of this. We're gonna take 4 Oreos and we're gonna separate the icing from inside of it. Once you got your Oreo wafers without icing in it, take half of them, crush them up, and put them directly in the icing. Then you're just gonna mix it. Look at that. Cookies and cream, delicious, high protein, low calorie goodness. The last step is to take your toasted Joseph's pita bread, should be nice and crusty, and place half of your cookies and cream icing right on top. The last step is to garnish it. You're gonna take your last 4 Oreo crackers. Look how beautiful that is. This entire recipe of 2 Oreo icing pizzas is only 350 calories and 30 grams of protein. This is less calories than a traditional sandwich. You gotta try this. Easy ingredients, you can find them at your local grocery store. It's gonna keep you satisfied. It's gonna keep your sugar cravings away. It's gonna keep you building muscle and retaining muscle even when in a caloric deficit. All you gotta do is go get it.